Hello everyone, welcome here. Myself Sekhar Metla, and today you are going to learn how to learn advanced coding. Yes, we will see a few important tips and tricks to practice to learn easily advanced coding. With the help of ChatGPT, I am also trying to getting more points to share with you. If you are watching first time this video lecture, please do subscribe and support. Yes, I am asking ChatGPT suggest advanced coding tips and tricks. Let's see. I would like to share you these points right now. Yes, it's taking some time to log in, means we have to reload our ChatGPT. Then we need to ask a query to suggest tips and tricks. Yeah, most cases what suggest like artificial intelligence will help us to understand what the advanced techniques. Yes, let's see, few techniques are sharing here for advanced coding tips and tricks. So use design patterns. So design patterns like how to reuse solutions, common software designs, problem, like familiarize with your popular design patterns of a singleton, observer, factory and strategy among others greatly enhance the quality of the maintaining of your code. Optimize for performance. While writing the code efficient, crucial are problem solving skills and making to like having a good performance of your application with the critical solutions. Profile your code identity like a bottleneck, optimize them to make a clear data structure, algorithms to specific use cases. Master debugging techniques. Debugging is nothing but where the code logic issues or errors, how to identify and how to fix these techniques. To know how to debug, then you will easily understand where the code bugs are available in your code. You can easily identify and fix your issues on your code. Utilize advanced language features. Programming languages often have advanced features are not commonly used. Take the time, explore and learn these advanced features such as closures, lambda expressions, like meta classes. Write more concise and powerful code. Use version control effectively. See, such as Git or GitHub repository, where the central repositories are VSN, SVN, source like version controller. These softwares will help you to make unite the code at single place, and the complex scenarios how to collaborate the project easily with other developers. Write automated test. So automation testing cases, if it is readily available, at number of times you can run the automated test to test your code with less time. Learn always new programming language. Learning new programming language can expand your horizons and help you to think different ways. Choose a language that is significantly different from like one you have already known, such as a functional, logical, and exploring unique features and paradigms. Read and contribute to open source projects. When you are trying to interacting with the open source projects, experienced developers who are contributing already and knowing the problem statements, giving your support to making a solution to that. Follow the best practices and coding standards. So adhering to practice of coding standards generally improve readability, maintainability. Familiarize yourself of PEP 8 or Python, Googlers, C++, and which programming language and which code editor you are very much comfortable to write and execute your code. Such way you have to practice and grow your career. Stay updated with the latest tools in the technology. So the field of software development consistently evolving, adding of new tools, new technologies, new libraries and more features, which are legacy features. Most of the features are adding into the one single app or one single functionality. So such an advancement you have to try, experiment way and add this and continuously improve your coding skills. Remember, Becoming an advanced programming requires continuous learning and practice. Keep challenging yourself of problems like real world problem statements to solve, and build your best way to approaching to how to simply solve your problem, improve your problem solving skills. Happy coding. If you feel this video lecture is helping you at any point, please do subscribe and support us. And similarly, Harisystems is also offering such a advancement courses from scratch to expert level. Find below description if you are interested. Enroll today. Thank you.